Welcome to Unsorted Minds. We're back with another wild compilation of unbelievable supercar disasters. Let's be honest, money can buy horsepower but not driving skill. Over 60 of the craziest supercar fail moments, all in one place. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Buckle up, let's go. A Lamborghini Urus shockingly appears to be perched and stuck on top of a bus stop shelter in a viral stunt that has viewers scratching their heads. At a car event in Poland, a driver lost control of his Koenigsegg CCX and hit the crowd. The 800-plus horsepower beast struck 17 spectators, including 2 children. Luckily, no deaths, but several serious injuries. During a roll racing event in Sydney, a 2,000-horsepower Lamborghini violently crashed into a wall under shocked spectators' eyes.
Oh, holy shit!
Watch out! Is it a Dodge Viper? A beautiful Porsche and a handsome driver. Stuck like this because of brutal and reckless acceleration. Does it hit the ground like that? I can't tell. A piece of sheet metal? Anyone has an idea? Do you think the driver risks damaging the engine of his Chevrolet Corvette? Could it take in water? Any ideas from the experts? What will happen to this superb Toyota GT86? Why did it skid? Any experts or people who can explain? Is it speed or an oversteer?
No mames. You're gonna go viral, pero no mames, dude.
Here's a beautiful Corvette. Everything under control. A nice start. And then straight into the neighbor's bushes. Why do you think? It's good to organize group outings on weekends with sports cars, but better make sure everyone has fully recovered from last night's party. Face-offs between cars are common, but against a motorcycle it's rare. Better have good skills before trying that kind of race. Too bad for this beautiful Ferrari. At least the turn signals still work. Here's Grandpa behind the wheel of his '75 Camaro. Oh, he's putting on a show and speeds up to impress passers-by. But in the end, he goes to kiss an electric pole. Ferrari F355 breaks loose during loading, hits barrier, and rolls off-road. No serious injuries. A driver kept going on the Los Angeles freeway in a heavily damaged Ferrari F8 Spider with airbags deployed and dragging debris. I really need advice from an expert before buying this kind of car. How to avoid this. Retirement. Who said you can't enjoy it? You have to save every dollar, every cent until the last day when we will be free. The old man understood the concept. A direct hit to the heart. Spectators scream in pain. It looks like their car. It remains frustrating for that superb Dodge. Why does everyone make the same mistake? A McLaren 720S going up in smoke. What could cause this kind of fire?
Sound that, mate.
The Italy is beautiful. These narrow little streets are made for walking on foot, not for this kind of vehicle. I've seen quite a few Lamborghinis catch fire from sudden acceleration. Why? Any ideas from the experts about this phenomenon? Monaco, the city of prestige where people display their entire car collections and matches. Too bad most only own the car and not the skill to drive it. Confusing the brake and accelerator pedals happens often with sports cars. Is it jealousy? What a shame. A beautiful Ferrari scrapped. Which model is it? Is this a show, or can you rent a Lamborghini and play around? I'd love to try it because it looks so fun. These poor luxury cars really aren't suited for bad weather. Too low, they quickly disappear under a small puddle. Avoid spots like this where idiots play Fast and Furious. The driver of this Ferrari SF90 didn't just put themselves at risk, but also other nearby motorists. Do you think the fault is with the SUV or the Audi R8? This Mercedes AMG got thirsty and went straight into the lake. This beautiful Ferrari live from Dubai. The walls there are very aggressive. They stick to you without warning. We're just waiting for the police to make a report. Driver's reflexes are a great asset, but this is more like premonition than anything else. The guy saved his Porsche at the last moment. Incredible. Oh, poor Lamborghini that ended up burned and then cut up. Nothing left to recover. A breakdown for a Bugatti? Seeing people push it? It's too brutal to watch. Oh my God, I thought there was nobody behind me. Sorry, man. It's a trend in China. Trucks really like Rolls Royces. Nothing abnormal in this video, just a bit of water. Bravo for the cool head. A poor Porsche GT3 RS suffered the wrath of the street. Vandalized, painted, windows broken. What did the driver have to do?
Oh my God, can I get those rims? Can I get those brakes maybe?
Sports car wheels apparently sell well. A bit of rainwater? It's nothing. A little paddle, and it's good.
Go for a spin. Swim.
In Dubai, when your Lamborghini catches fire, you just abandon it and go buy another. It happens often anyway. It's rare to see a pole hit a Kia or Toyota, but on a BMW it happens often. Should we believe the two attract each other?
Okay, yes sir, thank you. That is a live wire, do not touch it. Okay.
We just delivered this beautiful Aston Martin 177. Look at this guy. Watch out for the turn, oh magnificent Porsche. We just covered this Lamborghini Aventador crashed on the road. It's heartbreaking. Dodge and BMW. A love story that needs no proof. It apparently happens in Russia. The Dodge driver seems drunk. What do you think? Audi's Quattro system does wonders on the road. Let's see BMW. Looks like there's room for improvement. Traffic accident between a Porsche and a family station wagon. Let's see what happened and the damage. The Porsche seems to have taken a bad hit. What is this Mercedes G-Class doing? They say there's a kind of electricity between Dodge and BMW. Proof on video, one goes straight, the other enters the neighbor's house through the window. In this wild automotive clip, a McLaren owner is assaulted during a car meet and ends up driving into a crowd. Luckily, he walks away with just minor injuries. A Lamborghini on fire right in the middle of the road. Nobody knows what triggered the fire. Malfunction, surge, sabotage. The driver missing simply abandoned the supercar burning with no rescue attempt. A surreal scene worthy of a movie. Autocross can be thrilling, but it has its downsides, especially when things get out of hand. A perfect example is seen below, where a white C6 Corvette veers off the course and slams into a curb at high speed. Brace yourself, it's a rough watch. Had fun watching? Got a story or something to share? Let us know in the comments. We're listening. If you liked this one, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out the other videos on our channel. Every view, every click, and every comment means a lot and helps us keep going. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.